Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Baby Feel Finance, the place where we approach the market with a simple mind of a baby. Today I want to share with you a trading opportunity that is setting up on BTCUSD so that you will know where to wait for the market so that you can catch it young. Another reason why I want to display this analysis using one of the best trading strategy in the world, which is called roadmap trading strategy, is because of those who are trading BTC from investor perspective. They are buying Bitcoin, holding it, expecting it to appreciate before they will liquidate it. But the way Bitcoin is behaving now, if someone doesn't understand how market works, it will raise a lot of concern. It is going down, but they don't know how far down it will go before pumping back to the upside. It will definitely pump back to the upside, but the question is, are you going to be able to wait if markets go to as far as 50 to 49k per BTC? So in this video I will show you that, but before we dive into that, I notice a wind of change blowing across the globe. Many people are coming into the industry and they want to find a means of cushioning the effect of inflation, which has become a global phenomenon, and there is a need for us to be telling one another the truth. If you are going into an unknown terrain, it makes sense that you ask questions. It may make sense that you find someone who knows the path to hold you by hands. But the question is, who are you choosing as your mentor? Never think that I want to sell you anything or I want to start a trading academy. I'm not starting mentorship program. I don't have a trading academy. I started this channel to reveal the truth I know about the industry and the kind of people who are there. And I will be sharing my trading knowledge, my trading opportunity whenever I found them. Whenever I find them, I will be sharing it on this particular channel. The reason why I'm asking the question, who is your mentor, is because the industry is rich. It is full of scammers. It is full of fake gurus. If you find 100 people offering mentorship program on the internet, 95% of them are not what they call themselves. Nigerians, if you are watching this video, I want you to be attentive. Be careful who you choose as your mentor. Today I will mention a trait of a mentor you have to run away from. In the subsequent video, I will be mentioning the trait of a good mentor and the bad ones, because I have passed through the two. The first person that taught me how to trade Forex taught me bullshit. He only taught me how to lose money. And he was the type that don't like research. He was my boss then. Whenever I was working in the office trying to do research, he will be telling me that all you need to be successful, I have downloaded it to you. And we were trading together, we were losing money. So what I'm trying to say is, shine your eye. And the number one trait you have to run away from are those mentors who are displaying their lifestyle on the internet. They are doing that for a purpose. They want to get into your emotion. They want you to be emotionally married to them. They tell you that they are making 50 to 100k in a month. Fine, it is possible. One can even make 1 billion if you have the resources to do it. But why would someone who is making 100,000 USD in a month be spending 2 hours with a one-on-one mentorship program with you? So think about it and be wise. In the next video I will be telling you more about this. But today let us go onto the charts and analyze BTC USD. See you on the chart. Welcome back. This is the actual chart of BTC USD. But before we start the analysis, let me quickly show you a brief notes about the roadmap trading strategy, which is derived from Elliott wave theory. So Elliott wave made us to understand that everything in nature moves in waves, that when it moves in 5 waves like this one being wave 1, this one wave 2, this one wave 3, and this one wave 4, and this one wave 5. It told us that after every 5 waves in a given direction like this, there is always 2, 3 corrective waves against the major wave that moved this way. So he told us that after the 3 waves which are corrective in nature has ended, 5-wave trend will resume again. So he made us to know that wave 1, 3, and 5 are impulsive, while wave 2 and 4 are corrective. Another thing is wave 1, 3, and 5 has subdivisions, 5-wave trend inside them. Like this. I want to be quick because I don't want this video to be too long. I will explain it in another video clearly. So it made us to know that wave 2 and 4, which are corrective in nature, has 3 subdivisions, A, B, C inside them. Then A, B, C inside them. Also, wave A in the correction is subdivided into 5. Wave C in the correction is also subdivided into 5, while wave B is subdivided into A, B, C, meaning that wave 1, wave 3, wave 5, A and C are impulsive waves, while wave 2, 4, and B are corrective waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then after that we have A, B, C. A ends here, B ends here, and C. After C has ended, another 5-wave trend will resume like that. So what this is telling us is when you see this kind of shape in the market, it is encouraging you to wait for this to form. So when it forms, then, and this one has ended, you will be able to catch a brand new trend afresh. So this is the basis of this trading strategy. So let us apply what we have just seen on BTC for today. So let me apply my template to bring the charts back to life. So this is it on 4 hour, but let's start from the highest time frame, monthly time frame. So by looking at this, based on what I have just explained right now, you can see that market is obedient. It always follows a specific set of rules. So we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after that we have A, B, then C. After C has ended, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those of you who are panicking that this market may continue to the downside, well, you can see that no matter how long it takes to go down, the market will resume back to the upside, because we have wave 1 ended, 2 exhausted, 3 ended, then wave 4 is still in process. So moving to the downside, market is just merciful. It is merciful in the sense that there are some people who were unable to catch it when it was very young down below here, and market is retracing to help them so that they can buy it cheaper. It is because you are already in it that you don't want it to come down. Those who were unable to participate when it was young, they want the price to come down so that they can buy cheap. So how can we take advantage inside wave 4 that is currently running? Wave 4 is running. So remember that inside wave 4 we have ABC. And ABC is also divided into, A is divided into 5 waves, B is divided into 3 waves, and C is also divided into 5 waves. So the portion we will be interested in handling now is the one that is in process, I mean wave 4, which I have covered with this rectangular. Let me change the color of this rectangle to something else because I want to avoid conflicts with the candle. So this is the area we are interested in. So, and we know that wave 4 is subdivided into 3, A, B, C. So let's go to daily time frame to see. You see that what we can see by looking at it, one of the reasons why people don't like Elliott wave is because you have to train your eye so that you can see the shape very well. So if you look at this, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is wave A. And wave B must retrace back to the beginning of last wave of A. You know, last wave of A is wave 5. So, and wave B is this, A, B, C. So after this, wave C will be plummeting to the downside. And this is where it will be coming to, because whenever market is going to the downside, it is trying to locate the nearest demand zone so that it can tap into it to continue to the upside. So one of the benefits, I know the question some people will want to ask right now is, how do I know that the market will come back here? How do I know that the market will come back here? Market has its own way of unfolding, and it is those who pay attention to how markets unfold that we understand how to take advantage of it. So we have labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and this is the last wave. We have 1 for A, 2, 3, which is the longest. You see, 4 and 5, like this. So, and this is the beginning of last wave of A, and B must retrace back to that beginning. So when it retraces that to that place, what is its intention? Its intention is to grab the liquidity that are lying here, because some people enter here. So the aim is to grab the liquidity so that C can have enough strength to move to the downside. So remember that this B is subdivided into 3 subwaves. You see that? So when it now go back here, C starts. So C will now be targeting this place. Hope it is clear. So if you want to trade to the downside now, this is the most advisable area you can wait for the market. And if you wait there, you will have high probability of winning that particular trade. So let's watch out for this point here so that we can take advantage of it. So thank you for watching. In case you like the analysis, smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.